Hello and welcome! This is my car and my life. In the last episode I painted the car Mercury grey and I laid on the clear coat. And the clear coat is 2 parts, so you have to use the can you have started on. So I prepared these vents and lights and lay clear coat on them too. Wow, this turned out great. I'm so glad. This is just perfect. And look at these ones. They are so glossy. Wow. This will be perfect. Look at them. Perfect. Wow. Next thing, I think we're going to fix this thing. I want to open up here so we can paint this red, and I have this spot over here we should paint too. And this we should blend in a bit. The same with this one. And we have to check, I think a little bit here is showing when you put on the bumper and this fender piece I have. I think we're going to see a little bit here, so we have to do a nice blending over there. And that's going to be a challenge. But that's the first step. If I get this right really good, I get confident to do a similar thing on the hood and fenders here. Because maybe I will paint the whole hood. The problem there is the angle of the hood. It's hard to take spray cans and put them in this direction. Like that. Spray cans are made for painting in this direction. So to get a good feel on the paint here, I maybe have to take the hood off or have it standing like this, but it's hard to paint on that side. The fenders will be no problem, but I want the paint to fade out to the door. So we have old paint, the last bit here, have old paint and then fade to the new paint. And the same thing with the rear piece of the hood. So it's fading out against this front piece with the window are. So we will cover up all this so we don't get any paint dust on it, and then we go on and do the repair on the fender lever. And then we go on and do this paint repair here and on the back there. I have one thing on this rear bumper here that's not so good. We have to repaint this. want a smooth transition here. So I'm going to take a paper and fold it over to get a round surface in. Then we get overspray to smoothly get into this transition. And I hope that will be a good thing for this repair. We will try it.
I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on. So I keep fighting.
I think this will be really interesting. How well will the paint transition into the old paint? We will see in a while. First we will lay this light coat on the fender. And I'm also doing the paint repair in the rear at the same time. Then we will go over with some heavier paint. And after that it will dry, and then we can see if we succeed or not. I will remove all the masking and look how it looks. After that we do the clear coat, but the masking will be further out so we can get some clear coat over the old paint. We let this dry, then we will see when we take off everything if we have to do another blending to get it more smooth. But we start with this. We will check out how this look now. I think it looks good. Some clear coat on that and it's finished. I think it's clear coat and finish there too. After laying up the first layer, you have to wait a while so the paint gets sticky. Then you can lay on lots of it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.